Hi, I'm Dr. Jen Dickens-Massey. I'm a physical therapist with a passion for wellness and prevention. That's why I created Jenergy for Life, to help others be happy and healthy and strong. In order to further spread my message of positivity and wellness, I've also created Jenergy Jingles. They're parodies about posture, body mechanics, nutrition, exercise, wellness, and health in general. So without further ado, let's bring it back to one of my favorite Disney movies from my childhood. Let's hear the wellness recipe: nutrition, sleep, and stress decrease. Don't forget about your exercise. I mean the wellness recipe, and meditate to rest at ease. All part of the wellness recipe for life. Gratitude journaling helps an anxious mind. Improving your posture will help your spine. Drink more water if you please. Eat more green leafy veggies. When you change what you think about, don't live in a state of fear and doubt, and maybe smile a bit. The wellness recipe for life will keep you fit. Let's hear the wellness recipe: nutrition, sleep, and stress decrease. Don't forget about your exercise. I mean the wellness recipe, and meditate to rest at ease. Brought to you by Jenergy for Life.